Seashells.
Seashell. That's one.
There's one.
That's one.
There's another one. Maybe Daddy can read the note.
What's the note say?
What is that?
What's it say?
It
Can you read it for us?
says, Dear Cora. I can't read it.
Dear Cora, very good.
Shells are from Sarasota. I can hear you when I hold them to my ear.
Seashell.
From Grandpa
I
T.
don't my hair.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep, you're holding it to your ear. That's right.
Yep. Can you hear the ocean?
Yeah, I see it.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
What's it saying?
What's that one say?
Is it stuck in your ear? What are you doing?
She stuck it in her ear. Well,
I'm going to show Grandpa on camera. Where is it?
oh, she took it out.
Alright, put it back in your ear.
Very good. Now, be careful though, okay? Was it just on the, like, outside of her ear?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, can you come say thank you? Be careful, your shoes are on the wrong feet. Okay, say thank you.
I want to see.
Well, there, you can't see anything, see? Now come stand in front and say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, very nice. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say see you soon.
See you.